Hello all, welcome back to Supreme Tarot. It's been long time. I have got time to connect with you guys. I'm really sorry I couldn't upload videos, and I've not been active for quite long time. And I promise going forward you will see a lot of videos and guidance videos coming from my side. So yeah, let's get started. So today's topic is that we're gonna see your next 15 days of your April month or rest of the April month, how it gonna be for you, and what are the challenges and upcoming obstacles you will clear, and you will get into your success path, and how the May looks like. So we will check in overall perspective like career, personal, professional, and everything. So yeah, we have three piles on the screen. The first pile is this beautiful selenite plate which talks about all seven chakras are getting aligned. If you're attracted to this pile, please click on pile 1. It also talks about that this April month you're looking more of a clarity purpose, and you want a clarity in your personal and professional life, and you're looking to cleanse from those people whom you feel that negative vibes coming from them. You want to cut off them and move to the good people or good vibes where you feel lighthearted. And the second pile is this small tree, which is it's more of talking or connecting with your intuition. So whatever the rest of the month is there, how you're gonna connect with universe in terms of your own alignment, you will feel that. If you're attracted to this tree, you can click on pile 2. And option 3, which is last, is cute turtle, which talks about it's a pirate turtle basically. So you're looking into more of money aspect, and how rich you're gonna be soon, or how things are gonna be in your life in terms of money. You want to go in a slow phase but in a very steady manner where you don't fall off easily. So this is more of money, abundance, and prosperity. So yeah, please take your time and decide which pile you're attracted, and click on the link in the description. All the details are given. Yeah, let's get started. So whoever has chosen pile 1, let's see what energies are you attracting. So I'm keeping it here. Hope you can view this. Yeah. So let's see for pile 1. Thank you so much. So initial weeks looks like that. From the time you see this video, you may feel that the energy is not in your control, and whatever you're thinking, everything is happening in a reverse order. That will be the first sign. If you're able to connect, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so let's see what are the things you will attract in April month, and how will you clear your obstacles through that. Thank you so much. Let's get started. Page of Swords, King of Cups, King of Pentacles. Okay, so a lot of court card energy, which is all the three cards are court card. So definitely people around you will play a major role, and you will see that things are coming in favor of you with the help of people. So there is more help is required from people, and you need to seek help. If at all that you feel no, there is nobody in my life who can help, you need to seek for it. You need to ask for it. HELP is something that you need to start asking to the people whenever there is required. There are some possibilities there for the people who are trying for a college admission. You need to seek a reference or ask for help, then only things will move for you. Even for the people who are trying for job or shifting from one job to another job, you will see that the opportunity is coming to you, but you need to advertise about yourself or speak about yourself more. Seeking people's advice also is important. With the Page of Swords, it's a clear sign that the opportunities, the people attraction or people interaction will come to you in a very smooth manner. It's about you, how you respond to them. If you be in your own world, like how King of Cups is that like me, my world types, then it's either me, my way or highway. That will not work out. You need to sometimes accept few things which you may not like, but look at a longer term perspective, that if it is helping you in any other form, then it's worth taking that step. Yeah, at the end of the month, it says that King of Pentacles, there's some elderly man who will help you in sort of getting your wish fulfilled, and he will be more of guiding you in terms of how you can take a shortcut to reach there. So please take his advice or help. That will benefit you at the end of the month, and you will also see that kind of a sudden abundance or money is coming to you with it was not expected, but suddenly it will come to it. It will be a point of a gift, or someone who is like due to give you kind of a loan, who is kind to repay you, or you may try to settle off the if any loans is running with the bank, you may try to settle off that payment. That can also be the reason that you're getting money and you're just settling off that loan. So it's more of like whatever is coming, it's going a pie of it, and you're reducing the burden of that side. Yeah. Also, I see people who are looking for a vacation near seashore. Definitely, it's a good time to explore with your family. If at all you're planning and thinking after seeing this video, you feel that in the May month I should plan, please go for it. Take your family out. Definitely, it will be a very memorable trip for you. Yeah. Also, there is a possibility that it's very specific to few crowd where. People who ever feel that their chakras are not aligned, like how you feel when you try to do a meditation on all the 7 points of 7 chakras, wherever you're feeling that you're not feeling the blood flow is coming in that chakra, that means that chakra is blocked for you. So it is advised for you to do a meditation. If possible, 7 chakra meditation is very beneficial. Try to do that, and if you're able to do it, nothing like it, you will see that your blockages are getting cleared. See, all our chakras are aligned to the whatever we are trying to get in our life in terms of achievement. Everything is aligned to our vibe, good vibes or bad vibes or chakras. Everything is aligned, it's all interlinked. So if you have any kind of a blockages also, it will not move further. It will create a blockage and the things will come to you in a delayed form. Yeah. So let's see angel guidance for the rest of April month. What is that you're gonna see is coming for you. Thank you so much. Yes. So whatever you have been thinking, the answer is yes. And you will see that it will be kind of a no for you first, and then you will see things are happening in your favor. So it will come to you. Ultimately, whatever you have been thinking, this guidance is saying that there may be a no in start, but at the end the answer is what you wanted, that will come to you. Yeah. I hope you like my reading. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have guided by this video, please forward it to your friends and family. Yeah. Until next time, bye bye. Hello pile 2. So whoever has chosen this tree and you feel that you're connected to more your intuition, or you want to connect with your intuition in coming days, then this pile is for you. And it also talks about that your third eye chakra needs a kind of a relaxation. So if you believe that you have been going with lot of stress in last few months or few weeks, then I would advise you to go for some facial therapy where you feel that your third eye chakra near to that forehead part, it's getting relaxed and your muscle is relaxed. And please advise them or ask them to do massage over there, and just feel light-hearted when you do that. That will sort of clear your third eye chakra, and it will create a proper route for your intuition. Yeah, let's check for this month how is your April will be, and what are the blockages or challenges will come your way. Thank you so much. Wheel of Fortune, my god, of High Priestess, 3 of Wands. So your energy looks like vibrant, as the word I used, vibrant, it depicts you. Wheel of Fortune morely talks about your luck, your sudden gains, and there's a possibility that all these years, whatever you have been trying and not coming in your way, now there's a sudden shift is happening towards you. The universe will come to you and say that yes, please take it, whatever you've been asking, now I bless you with all the things, whatever you want. So this card is saying that good things or good news is coming in your way, but balance it. If you miss out the balance, see like how the Wheel of Fortune is that when you try to spin a wheel, whatever you expect that is coming as an answer, there's a possibility that it may shift anytime. So that's how the energy of Wheel of Fortune is like that. So make sure whenever you get anything good coming to you, try to balance, maintain the balance and stay grounded is more advisable when this card comes. And High Priestess is card of intuition, and as I said, your pile is of intuition, so it's a double blessing that you you need to work on your intuition. How can you work on your intuition? Doing meditation, connecting with nature, grounding yourself, cleansing yourself, rock salt water bath if possible. So that will kind of cleanse your energy, and it will connect to you with whatever is going to happen in future. You will get an idea, yes, this is what it is supposed to happen, and let me get all right before the storm is coming. That's how it is. And people who have been trying for job, definitely I see a very good sign that it is coming to you. Whatever the company you're looking, that favorite or that company is trying to reach out and kind of closing a deal with you. And if that company is based out of abroad, then it's a first sign that you will get through for sure, and there's a possibility that you may get a chance to go on site in the coming May month. It will not be immediate, but it's there in the cards. Also, this card advises that you have been waiting long for something to happen, and now the time has come that you will get it with the Wheel of Fortune and High Priestess card, where it's saying that stay grounded but connected to your intuition, where you can see a clear road is coming in your life with whatever you have thought you're manifesting literally. So protect yourself from all those things. So if you believe in wearing bracelets like how I'm wearing, you can wear bracelets to protect your aura. Yeah. Also, we'll see angel guidance for your pile. Let's check. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Romance is coming in your card, where it's saying that you will having an ample time with your partner and with your loved ones, and you will see that you're denoting that time fruitfully, and you want to enjoy that until a big thing is coming in your life. Let me have a good cherished moment with my partner or loved ones. Yeah. If you like my reading, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you ever felt that you have aligned to this message little also, please forward it to your friends and family so that even they get some message out of it. Yeah. Until next time, bye bye. Whoever has chosen this cute turtle, where it talks about, it's a pirate turtle basically. So pirate represents in form of money. So if you're looking in terms of the money aspect, like you've been waiting for a long to get some money from somebody, or you're waiting long for to get your hike or promotion or whatever it is related to money. If you've been working hard, you've not been got that deserved money, definitely this time is coming for you, and you should accept it with open arms. Yeah. Also, if you believe in keeping crystals at your home, I would advise you to keep this cute little turtle, which is very good for your house. You can keep in the north direction. If you're interested, you can contact me. I can help you with the energized turtle also. Yeah. So let's see what is your energy saying for the month of April. Let's check that. Thank you so much. My God, your energy is very haywire. Let's check. Thank you so much. I don't know specifically, I'm getting a message for your pile is that you guys are too hyperactive. Whatever it is, you like doing multitasking, you like doing all the things at a time. And you believe that you expect from that people also that everybody should be like that. Don't have this kind of attitude. It's not good. Wow. 3 of Pentacles, 5 of Swords, 6 of Cups. One message, clear message I'm getting from this pile is that you're running after money is good, but whatever it is, whatever the denote XY time, you should give it to your family. That has been missing out. And April and May month is something that it's giving you opportunity to spend with your family. Do not miss it. Yes, money is equally important for you to run family, but do not forget that even family are the ones for whom you're earning money. If they are not able to enjoy it, it's no point you're going after that money. So family time is important. Yes, there will be some, especially last week of the April will look like you're a bit tired of handling, doing multitasking, and you're kind of done with it. Like you do so much, and in return you get only single. You're doing like double X work, you're getting only single X work. In return, you're getting single X. So that kind of a torture, that kind of a mindset will bog you down, and you're like, why I am only working and nobody is responding to it, nobody's acknowledging that. So do that much work where it allows you and it doesn't hurt your body, and give time or give relaxation to your body as well. It's very important. Yeah. Also, it's a time that you should connect with your parents in the month of April and May. If you're someone who is away from your parents, please try to meet them. It is a sign that you should connect with them. And it's been long time if you've not connected with your it's been long time if you've not connected with your parents, you should call them and speak to them once. And also I'm getting a message that there's a possibility that you will go a very short quick trip with your family, and that trip your kids will enjoy more. If you have a kids, they will enjoy more. If not, your partners will enjoy more. In either ways it is. And there's a possibility that you may if you're someone who's looking for a change of a place, it is not right time for you to change a place in terms of your work or in terms of anything. If you can postpone a bit for a month or a two or a couple of months, will be really great. Until then, do not take decisions. Yeah, that decisions will kind of a haywire, will change your situations. Yeah, so we'll see angel guidance for your pile, what's coming for you. Thank you so much. Unlikely. So if you're looking for a change, as I said, please do not initiate it. And if you're looking to start something new also, kindly put it on hold for a time being, and later you can just kickstart it. That's only one advice I can give you. Rest, everything looks proper. And for some people whose parents age it's above 50, and you're worried for your parents, it's a very critical time. Please ask them to take care of your health, and they should, you please be in touch with them to see how their health is performing. Yeah, I hope you like my reading. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.